Hi, I'm Arash Niavarani from CBIS, and we are a team of Lean Six Sigma trainers and consultants who work collaboratively with individuals and businesses all around Australia. We run training courses and workshops as in-house sessions and public events across a diverse range of organizations, including manufacturing, servicing, healthcare, and public sector. Let us show you how you can utilize Lean Six Sigma tools and methodology as a cutting-edge problem-solving framework in a practical way to reduce business costs, improve quality of your products and services, increase customer satisfaction, and run your business more effectively and efficiently. Here are a handful of our clients sharing a few words with you about us and training that we have done.
So the course has been very applicable right throughout the whole process. And through every day-to-day activity of all my projects that I'm currently working on, I can see how I'd use Lean Six Sigma to try and help me and accomplish those goals.
One of the best things that I've found is the commitment from the trainers to actually make sure you get it. Because not everyone can understand statistics and p-value, and they can be quite confronting, but there was no way that we were going to progress to the next stage until the trainer was certain that we got it, and I really appreciated that.
The course content was very clear, with the visual representations that we were given, as well as the software programs to support and reiterate some of the concepts were very clear, very easy to understand, and so made it very enjoyable.
The best about the training is the environment. The environment itself was so friendly, so open, where we are not only talking about our industry, our experience, it's more about learning about others' industries as well, which really gives a sort of an edge that how and where we can use these tools in other environments as well.
I think it's not going to be until I really get my running legs in the working environment that I'm going to see the real benefit. So I'm looking forward to partnering with CBIS's coaching to help get me through to deliver the best bang for the organisation's buck.
We have called our business CBIS as acronym of Comprehensive Business Improvement Solutions. It's all about sharing our comprehensive solutions with you to improve your business. Please check out our website and contact us today for more details. We are looking forward to meeting you and being your business compliance and excellence partner.